Yo, what is up, guys? So we are hanging out with Alberto and Ashley and Lexus right now. We just drove over in the Civic Type R. Look at this, we got the STI right here. And we're here for a special surprise for y'all. I might. Bam. All right, guys. Blind walk around. I've never seen this car in my life. We got an Acura RSX. Oh, I'm so excited to get in this thing. Woo, I love it. And oh, this is tight. This is beautiful. Nice wing. We're gonna get in this now. I've never seen the inside of this. It is manual, K-swapped. I'm so ecstatic right now. Here with the boy Alberto. Today is my 23rd birthday. Figured I'd throw that out there. Good YouTube content, dude. This says DC5 on the floor mats. This is fresh.
He has a bunch of Type R goodies in the car.
Oh, let's go. A little Acura RSX action. Wow. That screams. Wow. Okay, so this has been a very sick day. Yo, big props to my homies Ashley and Alberto for taking us out on my birthday. Yo, this is beautiful. I forgot we were riding around in this thing, dude. Oh, man. So essentially, this is the DC5 Honda Type R. It would be the Integra in Japan, but in the United States, we didn't get the Type R until we got the FK8. So this is just like essentially getting a Type R before the Type R, which is just beautiful to think about. A little bit of a sound clip for y'all. Beautiful. All right, guys, we are back at home now. We just picked up the RSX. This car is unreal. I love it. It's so cool. A lot of Type R goodies around it. We'll walk around it later on. HKS exhaust as well. Black truck's still chilling here, but this is just like so fitting. These late 90s, early 2000s cars. Well, actually, this is like a 91 and that's an 02, so almost a 10-year difference. But the colors, dude, just, oh, beautiful. With the FK8 in the background. Yeah, I'm in love with this thing, though. I don't know why. This is just really, really nice. And big shout out to the homies, bro. They just brought us out for some Chinese food. Like, it's been a beautiful, beautiful day. So stoked. Another thing I really wanted to share with you guys is this car is K24 swapped. It does not have the K20A2 it would have came factory with. And wow, just cool to see. Man. Just intake, exhaust, maybe a few other small things. But I mean, it's pretty much all NA, full motor car. Yeah, this is nasty. Yo, what's up, guys? So we're here with the LS400, and it looks like we're definitely breaking into it right now. The Shaq locked his keys inside, but not too bad, not too bad. Only a pain in the tail. Not too bad. How it's going. This is a beautiful little BMW i8, all fully wrapped. It's just moving it so it's not in the way, but it looks so sick with both the doors open right now. It's so cool. All right, guys, the owner had even given us the option just to sit in the car, which is pretty cool. I actually, besides the DeLorean, have not been in a vehicle with gull-wing doors like that. It's actually really comfy, too. Man, it's a hybrid, so it's got a 3-cylinder, I think it's a twin-turbo engine in the rear. In sports mode, it's got a generator. This is very cool, and I realized there is back seats, which is pretty wild. Boston trip with the boys. Ashley and Alberto just rolling up. Let's go. Got Garrett, Ramey, Chris, Shaq. We got everybody. The Boston trip begins. James, how are you feeling? Yo, check this thing out, boys. So this man's running some serious negative camber, especially with everybody in there, but I love this badge, a 2.4 liter K24 badge. Gas. I don't know what I'll vlog from this, but I guess we walked this brick trail all the way down. It's called the Freedom Trail. So I just missed a Ferrari, but we did get the Bug-Eye WRX, so that's a W. Rip. We are out here walking around Little Italy right now in downtown Boston, and Al Dente gas. Recommend. Yo, check this out, guys. Paul Revere's house. We're going on a little bit of a historic trip today, it seems, as we just did the Freedom Walk, but crazy to see. I want y'all to keep in mind, we are in Little Italy, and this is nasty. Chevrolet Caprice Classic. This is legit. This is what you'd see in the movies. I mean, this makes me happy. Yeah, this is what we like to see. All right, we got a nice little Acura TSX rolling through. I like to see it. Woo. Right over here, we have a Toyota Land Cruiser, and she's on the newer TRD wheels, which is perfect with this color scheme on this car. Extremely clean looking. What a gem to see in Boston, especially gold emblem. Woo. You guys got to see this M8 real quick. Matte black, carbon fiber roof. This thing is sweet, and we are out of here. Gonna go check out some other spots. Check. So we got the TSX and the RSX. We're just cruising around P-Town. We got Nate taking some photos, planes taking off, and I'm just grabbing some clips because I'm definitely gonna make a video one-on-one on the RSX. So might as well grab some cool clips while we're away from home. James, how's the trip been?
Pretty good.
Yo, it's the SS from earlier. No way, dude. That is sick. This thing is powered by a 454. Wow. Yo, this is the spot for cars. Check this thing out. WRX. Oh, yes. Dude, that is killer. Yo, we found the car side of Boston, man. Check out how beautiful it is. I can see the racing Recaro seats from here. Wow. That is so gas. Just a little bit of a cool clip. You got the full carbon fiber diffuser back there, quad tip exhaust. Beautiful livery. He's got the seat delete back here. I mean, this car is so cool just to see in person. Really aggressive aero up front. I mean, he tracks it too. It's an S5. So seeing the supercharger up there was beautiful. Just what a cool car to see out in Boston. I do think our trip is about to end, and I'll see you guys in whatever adventure we head to next. Yo, check this out. Since the last time we saw the IA, he's got a cool little wing back there. Such a sick car.
Oh God, the side question.
Woo! Dropping it low. We love to see it. Hey, what's up, guys? So today, Alberto and I just took a test drive in the Acura RSX, and if you are unfamiliar with the cars, your brakes are not supposed to be orange. So we definitely got a stuck caliper in the rear here, and just gonna dive into that. All right, guys, so first things first, we popped off the wheel. This caliper is definitely seized, and to clamp it down, you can't clamp it, you're supposed to spin it. So we're definitely going with this caliper seized, and we're gonna go pick up a new one right now. And wow, it's still hot. It's been like 15 minutes. And we're going to try to get this new caliper on. Like I said, it looks real easy. I probably won't go too into depth just so we can do it and get it over with. But you can see the e-brake is down there. And our the hydraulic side is up here, where all the brake fluid is. We're going to get the part and install it. And we're into this now. We just unclipped the e-brake. We hooked it up to this one. Now we're going to do the line, hook it up here, and throw it back on the car, bleed it out. We should be all good to go. So I'll see you all in the morning once this car's on the road. I started in third, I think. Sorry.
Oh, you're good.
I was like, what time am I not going into first? Because I went to pull and I was like, where are we? That's funny. It actually drives so much smoother though, realistically.
Bro, the caliper seizure is always.
Alright. Why is it? Yo, tell me if I'm stupid.
All the way
First.
over first, yeah.
Am I?
No, now you're in first.
It feels so like I'm flooring it right now. See what I'm saying?
You are?
Yeah.
Then there's an issue.
All right, guys, so I don't know if I'll add the clip or not, but you'll hear I went to go take it for a test drive with Alberto, and it needs a clutch. This car hates us. we had to do a little bit of work down here, and that was a big process. And then we took it for a test drive. The brakes seized up on us, so we replaced that. And it was okay. It wasn't that bad, but it wasn't fun either. And first test drive in the clutch let go. This is like the Devil Z, but an Acura RSX Type S. So anyway, good car. She smells like clutch. She's beautiful. I love it. All right, guys, so I got a little bit of an update for you guys on the car. So funny enough, it was actually just a clamp. It was just a clamp on the shift linkage that had let go. So that's why the car was starting in third. We were having issues there. And it was so late at night. We've had like a full week of just labor into this car. So it's good to know that wasn't the problem. Sir Evan over here just actually lowered it down in the front for Alberto. And, you guys ready for this? New wheels. They're 04 STI wheels, and they come factory with BBSs, so they are now on the car, which is so gas. And it's, like I said, lowered down in the front now. So, lots of sixed up. Oh, that's so dirty. That's like perfect. Yeah, I thought you, it just hit me.
It's actually,
dude, it looks so good. And can't wait to just like see it driving legit this time. So dirty. And all right, guys, well, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for checking it out. If you want to see some more car content in the future, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Any words?